All right, good afternoon, everybody. And today we're gonna get back into our C++. Today we're gonna be writing a very basic program in C, finding the circumference of a circle. So, boot up Visual Studio Code or whatever app you're using to write your code, and let's start. Check include stream so we can get all our basic libraries in. Next, we're going to need to include math.h and define pi 3.14 because math.h does not come with its own pi, so we are in fact defining it here. Now, create the main function with your return 0 and everything else. Now, let's begin writing the code. So, first we're going to need to output enter the radius of the circle. Only need to get radius as it's the only thing you need to know, and the program will do all the math. So we're gonna get float radius. Now we're gonna make it a float instead of an integer, as the radius could be any range of a number, and we are going to character input radius. Now we've got all that done, let's go ahead and do the math. So we're going to do float circumference equals, now if I remember correctly, it was pi times r to the power of 2. Pi times radius pi times tau radius 2. After this, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video so I can double check this, because I believe it's pi times r to the power of 2. And then we're going to go ahead and output the circumference of the circle is circumference. Now, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and I'll be back once I figure out if that's actually the formula. Alright, so I was wrong. It was 2 times pi times r. Two times pi times radius. That is my fault. My bad. At least now it is fixed. So let's go ahead and run the program. For the radius of the circle, let's do 56.993. Now we're going to go ahead and double check that on the web. Actually, no. I know this is correct. So yeah, that is the circumference of a circle in C++. And we hope you enjoyed our re-entry into this series. Please let us know by liking this video and letting us know what program we should do next. Until next time.